Hello and welcome to this video about Wegner's theory, one of the most influential scientific ideas of the 20th century. In this video, we'll explore the history of this groundbreaking theory, as well as some of the key evidence and arguments that have helped to shape our understanding of Earth's continents. Whether you're a student of science, a lover of history, or simply curious about the world around us, we hope you'll find something of value here. Wegner's theory, also known as the theory of continental drift, was first proposed by the German geophysicist Alfred Wegner in 1912. At the time, the scientific consensus was that the Earth's continents were fixed in place and did not move over time. However, Wegner's observations of the shapes of the continents and the distribution of fossils and rock formations led him to believe that the continents had, in fact, moved over the course of millions of years. One of the key pieces of evidence that Wegner cited in support of his theory was the jigsaw-like fit of the continents. He argued that the shapes of the continents, particularly the eastern coast of South America and the western coast of Africa, were too similar to be a coincidence, and that they must have once been connected. He also noted that certain fossils and rock formations appeared in similar patterns across multiple continents, which he believed could only be explained if the continents had once been joined together. Despite the compelling evidence put forth by Wegner, his theory was initially met with skepticism and even ridicule by many in the scientific community. However, as more evidence began to accumulate over the decades that followed, support for the theory grew. By the 1960s, advances in seismology and other technologies had provided even more evidence in favor of continental drift, and the theory became widely accepted among geologists and other scientists. Today, we understand that the Earth's continents are indeed moving, albeit very slowly, due to the process of plate tectonics. This theory holds that the Earth's crust is made up of a series of rigid plates that float on a layer of molten rock, and that the movement of these plates over time is what drives the motion of the continents. In conclusion, Wegner's theory was a revolutionary idea that changed the way we think about Earth's continents and their history. By challenging the prevailing scientific consensus and presenting compelling evidence in support of his theory, Wegner paved the way for a new era of scientific inquiry and discovery. Today, we continue to build on his legacy by exploring the complex processes that shape our planet and its continents. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this overview of Wegner's theory.